Hi, welcome to last week's portfolio update. Last week on Friday, I got my loss from the previous week and got back the amount as I put some more amount, I deposited some more amount into the portfolio. And right now, you see like 2K I invested. So right now, it's 3.7K. If you see on Friday alone, it increased to 2K. So the day trading is like that. Like one day you'll get a high, and next day again it will drop. So if you see, it started from 1729 after putting another 2K on Monday. So it was 2.6K on Monday. It went down to 1.7K. But on Friday, whatever I did was correct. Like if you see the last week's performance, Monday, Monday it reached 2.5K after putting 2K extra. And then it went down to 1.1 at one moment, but it came back on that day itself. Then again it dropped 1.8, it came back, and again it dropped to 1.8. It dropped to 1.1k. So what happened, I would explain, is like I was on a spy called credit, and market went down a particular day, and I was on a profit, a small profit. And after that market reversed. So spy went to 508, it came back to 514. So I lost the amount, and what I did is like I did the put credit spread, the reverse. And at the end of the day, Costco released the earnings, and it was bad. It was not as expected. Like the revenue misses the target, estimated target. So I was aiming like maybe on Friday market will go down. So whatever I hold put credit spread in expectation of market will go up. At 9:30, I sold everything and started buying all the put options for that day. And morning, actually, market went up 518. So if I would have hold put, at least I would have gained around 2000. My portfolio would have become 2K by that time, or 2.2K. But because I hold the put options, market went up and I lost the amount. But I didn't sell it. I closed my Neo Leap option and again bought put on top of that. So after it's reaching a all-time high of 518 to 519 and SPY ETF, there was a huge sell-off. So that made this profit like it went to 3.2 and it almost went to 4K. But I put a stop loss on 3.2 or 3.3. So that's why after that, when market came back, it hit the stop loss and I was out of the trade, 3.4k. Still, I was expecting market. It's just you're trying to hit the stop loss. It went high, so what I did is like the next day's call credit. I bought like 516 and 517 when the market was 514. So it was like profitable, like around 900 credit. It back in 900 credit, and suddenly market went again down by the end of the day. That's the reason. That's the reason this is also on profit. If you see, I bought it at 0.32 credit, and as market went down, the call credit lost its value, so it became 0.11. So as I have sold, it's a call credit. So when this dips hard beyond profit, so when market came back to 511 after hitting again 514 or something. So I gained again. So now whatever like 0.21 profit now, 0.21, and I did almost 27 quantity. So it was around $500 profit. So the total return, if you see, it's 567. Still, there is more like on Monday. So if market keeps going down, It's 516, so I'd get around 500 if market goes blindly to the downside. Or if market goes sideways, maybe I would have to sell it maybe around zero point zero 0.05 or point 1 or point 0.5 range, 0.05 range. So I'd gain around again another $100 on top of this one. If market comes back and reaches 516, so I don't expect it to do the same daily, like one day it goes down, next day it comes back the same. Maybe that can maybe happen one day, but again on the next day it goes down, and again on the next day I don't expect that. When if it comes back, I hope like it will be below 560. It's a hope, so otherwise I had to roll this position. So yeah, so that's update. That's why I explain more, because I got the profit. I just want to be transparent how I got the profit. It was actually on a loss. I was expecting that 2K also gone that first also, but luckily on Friday came back. Also the trend, because Costco, those are all deciding trends. Like it's a daily grocery shopping or daily retailer shopping. So if that share goes down, means even if it's not there in SPY, I don't know if it is there in SPY or not, but still all other stocks tend to do the same. And even if you see why SPY came down, is like Nvidia suddenly from the all-time high 950 it came back to 880 or around 4% low. That's the reason why market went down. I feel like the trend is down because I'm a bearish, and also this Costco now, Walmart, Target, all will follow the suit. So otherwise, if there is no that much high expectation, that would be fine. Like Walmart can beat the revenue, and still these are all like daily activities. So you cannot avoid Costco entirely from the daily activity. So that's why if those shares comes down, means market probably will come down. So on a weekly basis, I gain 1.2k. So last week I lost around 1.6. I had some 2k amount in between, but last week it came to 1.2 profit. So I gained whatever I lost 1 week prior to this. Then going to the monthly, so now as we shifted to Robinhood, the monthly chart, if you see, I lost only 55, so there was a huge fluctuation in the graph. Still on Friday, whatever I lost gained, so that's the reason now it just lost 55. So I'm happy, like for a month, even if I didn't gain much, I haven't lost much. That's the reason. And I would have to stop the day trading. I don't know how I'll be able to do that, but that's a aim. So blind, like naked put or naked call buying. Otherwise, I have to restrict my capital to a small amount for that day trading. Right now, $55. So it's okay, and I'll show that 3 months TD, 1 year as it comes back. So I had a major loss 3 months graph, and all. That's why like I don't want to demotivate the people. I'm just telling it, and there was a loss. Once if I can recover some of them, I can show it. But because the portfolio shifted actually on February 8th, that's the reason I'm just showing it the 1 month. And 3 month I'll show gradually, and hope to keep the momentum, profit momentum, carry over to the next week. Now going to the portfolio. So as I got some profit on Friday, I bought some of the shares. So we'll go to the transactions and we'll see. So before that, we'll go to the dividends. On to dividends, there is no new news. we got dividend from J&J, Johnson Johnson, and Aflac on 5th March and 1st March. This was like previous to prior to last week. All other whatever it is expected now, it is like Gen Digital expected to be on March 13th, and these were the two updates that happened prior to last week. 1.27 they increased to 9% and 6%. The two I'm expecting. We're expecting it to be on March 28th and 29th. And all other still yet to give the upcoming dividend details. Going to the transactions for the last week, you can see Aflac had a drip investment. I got some dividend from Aflac, so drip quantity 0.001515, so total cost is zero because it's a drip. And other than that, Carter's I bought for $3. Johnson and Johnson on March 4th I bought for $3. Again on March 5th I got a drip from Johnson and Johnson. So 0.00191, this was I calculated because drip was not on. But still well calculated as drip. So I put $5 on Johnson Johnson. Out of that the dividend was 0.19. So with the 0.19 I'll get this many shares. And remaining 4.81 I kept it as my cost. And I bought that to 0.030145 out of 4.81. Then I invested Gen another $10. Now on Friday, because I got a huge gain, I put around $100 for the long term portfolio. I bought Costco. As Costco's share came down from the all time high of 790 or something to 720. Bought it around 731 ish, $40. And then Johnson and Johnson I put $30, and Comcast another $30. Now going to the portfolio, you can see only Costco is on red, so cost is below my average cost price. Costco right now the average cost price is 726, and current price Costco is 725. So going through the dividends, Comcast now got some maximum dividend 0.21. I have around 2 shares of Comcast, and J&J zero point 0.2, it contributes zero point 0.2 on average, and remaining everything like Disney is the least contributed one to the dividends 0.02. Costco as I put $40, it became 0.03 on a monthly basis. So total average dividend increased to 0.95, and total cost right now it's 441. Yield on cost is 2.59, and portfolio came down, still on a profit, 444, 455, around $14 profit. Yield on the portfolio is 2.5. So as I invested most $40 to Costco, and the dividend yield of Costco is 0.5. That's why entire dividend yield came down. Now calculating the financial independence, the 0.95 rate of 3. Yeah, so financial independent age came down from 483 to 471. As of today, the monthly target is 5338, and financial independent date is 2455, December 10th. At that month, I'd be gaining 2 billion as dividend. So it's a huge amount, 2 billion. So right now, as from the previous graph of Robinhood, it stood like $0.55 I lost. So if I can gain around 5.3k or 5.4k per month, I would expect like I can slow down my options. We'll see what happens. So right now the target is around $250 per day. So that would come around 5k. That's it for the update for last week. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.